Hello, welcome back to the Extra Online Knowledge. We talk all things affiliate marketing, making money online, and digital entrepreneurship. Today, I've got something super exciting for you. We're diving into 7 secret websites where you can promote your affiliate links absolutely free. That's right, no paid ads, no fancy software, just pure organic traffic. So, if you're ready to take your affiliate marketing game to the next level, smash that like button and let's jump right into it. Number 1, Medium.com. Now, Medium is a platform that's often overlooked by affiliate marketers, but it's an absolute goldmine. The key here is to write genuinely helpful articles that provide value. Once you've got your content, you can naturally include your affiliate links. The best part? Medium has a huge audience. This website receives 150 million traffic per month, and your articles can rank on Google. So, if you play your cards right, you can generate a steady stream of traffic to your affiliate offers. Just remember to be transparent and add a disclaimer about your affiliate links. Number 2, Pinterest. Now, I know what you're thinking, Pinterest. Really? Yes, Pinterest is not just for recipes and DIY projects. It's a powerful visual search engine that can drive massive traffic to your affiliate links. Create eye-catching pins that link to your blog posts or landing pages, and watch the traffic roll in. The key is to use relevant keywords in your pin descriptions and boards to get found by the right audience. Number 3, Quora. If you're not already on Quora, you're missing out. This platform is all about answering questions, and it's perfect for promoting your affiliate links. Find questions related to your niche, give a detailed answer, and subtly drop your affiliate link as a resource. Just be careful not to spam. Quora's moderation team is strict. Provide real value, and you'll build trust with the community, which can lead to clicks and conversions. Number 4, Reddit. Now, Reddit can be tricky because each subreddit has its own rules, but if you navigate it right, it's a gold mine. Find subreddits related to your niche and engage with the community. Don't just drop your link, start by providing value. Once you've built some credibility, you can share your affiliate link in a way that feels natural and beneficial to the community. Remember, Redditors can smell a marketer from a mile away, so be genuine. Number 5, Slideshare. Slideshare is a platform where you can upload presentations, and it's perfect for repurposing your blog content. Create a visually appealing slide deck that provides value and includes your affiliate link as a call to action. Because Slideshare is owned by LinkedIn, your content can reach a professional audience, which is great for certain niches. Plus, it's another way to get your content ranked on search engines. Number 6, Steemit. Steemit is a blockchain-based blogging platform that rewards you for your content. The community is highly engaged, and if you create valuable posts, you can earn cryptocurrency while promoting your affiliate links. It's a win-win. Just like with other platforms, make sure your content is high quality and that you're transparent about your affiliate links. Number 7, LinkedIn articles. Last but definitely not least, we've got LinkedIn articles. LinkedIn isn't just for networking, it's a powerful content platform. By writing LinkedIn articles that offer real value, you can reach professionals in your niche and include your affiliate links in a way that feels natural. LinkedIn has a built-in audience of decision makers, so if your niche targets professionals, this is a great way to get your affiliate links in front of the right eyes. And there you have it, 7 secret websites where you can promote your affiliate links for free. Remember, the key to success with affiliate marketing is to provide value first. If you focus on helping your audience, the clicks and conversions will follow. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more tips on making money online, and hit that notification bell so you never miss an update. Drop a comment below and let me know which of these websites you're excited to try out. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.